welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're talking about length retention. So length retention has to do with you taking proper care of your hair, maintaining your hair, and making sure that it does not break, or it just breaks as little as possible. This way you can actually see the length of your hair when it's growing. So when you're able to retain length, you're able to see growth on your hair, so you can get your shoulder length, your brow length, or whatever length that your hair can get to. And all you need to do is take proper care of your hair. So for more tips and to find out how you can do that, please do keep on watching and enjoy this video. Before I forget, if you're a first timer, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video and if you love my channel, please do give me a subscribe and do follow me on Instagram, and ensure that you hit the notifications button so that every time I upload a video, you're the first person to know about it. So tip number one has to do with you keeping your hair moisturized, nourished, hydrated, and strong. You need to do those moisture treatments, do those protein treatments to keep your hair strong and prevent breakage. Because of our type of hair, which is kinky, coily, textured, coarse, which is beautiful by the way, our hair can get dry easily. Because of that curl pattern that you have, it's not easy for sebum to travel down the rest of your hair shaft. Therefore, your hair will be dry often if you don't moisturize it right, or as often as you should be. So do those moisture treatments, have a moisturizing routine, ensure that even when you have braids on or cornrows on, or even when you have wigs, your hair under those wigs is still hydrated and moisturized. If you want to know how to retain moisture in your hair, I do have a video about it. Please do check that out. Another thing that you may want to do is trimming the ends of your hair. No, trimming the ends of your hair does not make your hair grow faster. It just protects your hair and ensures that your hair is not prone to breakage because the ends are damaged. Because when your hair is breaking, it will be breaking from the ends going down, not directly from the roots. If it's from the roots, that's shedding, not breakage. So tip number two has to do with you avoiding heat on your hair. I'm not saying don't use heat on your hair, and I'm always saying this because it's important. Most of my videos, well, not all of them, do have this, avoiding heat. That is because when your hair is heat damaged, there's not going back. It's damaged. You gotta cut it. And when your hair is also heat damaged, it's prone to breakage. How so? Your hair won't be absorbing moisture as it normally does. Therefore, your moisturizing routines won't be as effective as they normally are. And when your hair is dry, it's prone to breakage. So please, do use heat, but not excessively. Tip number three, clean your scalp. Guys, it's so important that you wash your hair. I cannot emphasize this point enough. Wash your hair. Don't have braids for 2 months and you did not wash your hair, not even once. Don't keep your hair for a month without washing it. At least co-wash your hair in between, or if you don't want to use a shampoo, use a cleansing conditioner. Just get rid of somewhat dirt on your hair. Also, if you're going to stay too long without washing your hair, at least don't apply as many products as you normally would. Like, don't be using too much gel on your hair, don't be using too much product, or just apply too much product when you know you won't be washing your hair frequently, because you need to remove all of that product built up so that your hair grows in a healthy and clean environment. I'll give you guys an example. You see your follicles. So basically follicles is like pores. That's where your hair grows out of. So when your scalp is dirty, right, and there's so much product built up, it closes those pores, follicles, so your hair is not growing out of them as it should be. It has to like push out the dirt for it to grow out, and that's not good at all. So please do clean your hair, clarify your scalp, ensure that it's clean, therefore your hair can grow healthy and strong. I do have a video that can help you guys in terms of getting rid of itch and dandruff on your scalp. Please do check it out. I did give a few tips on what products to use, what methods to use, and how to incorporate those on your daily hair care or monthly routines. Another thing that you can do is massaging your scalp, whether you're maybe when you're doing a hot oil treatment or you're just doing a regular treatment, because it helps to promote blood circulation on your hair, and this can in turn help you with growing healthy hair. Tip number four, please don't be harsh on your hair. This was me in February and I lost so much hair. If I could show you a picture of my hair last year in September, a picture of my hair early Feb, then a picture of my hair now, it's the same. It's literally the same, if not shorter, because I was retaining length well until Feb. My detangling process then, I stayed too long in shrinkage. Not just my detangling process, it was how I undid my braids. Actually, I undid my braids well. The problem was when I was detangling my hair, I didn't do it right. I was just using a Denman brush, like I don't know why, and I knew better. I still know better now, but I don't know what went wrong that day that I lost so much hair. However, I'm okay with it because it's just hair grows back, right? Not all the time, but please do not be harsh on your hair. Use the correct detangling tools. I do have a video about this. I actually then recorded a video about you properly detangling your hair when I realized that, Heather, what have you done to your hair? So when you're styling your hair and when you're washing it, be gentle as well. Be gentle with the tools that you use, like the hair brushes you have. Ensure that they're soft, they're not too harsh. Also, when you go to bed, you have a certain doke, you have a certain pillowcase, that way there isn't frizz or damage on your hair when you sleep. Detangling, do it right. Protective hairstyles, do it right. Night care routines, hair care routines when you're sleeping, do everything right. That way you show love to your hair and your hair will grow healthy, it will grow well, it will grow strong, and you'll see the length being retained. I did say no tension when you do protective hairstyles, but I'm also saying do those protective hairstyles, but with no tension. So whether you're doing braids on, whether you're having wigs, or you're doing twists, 2-strand twists, 3-strand twists, do those protective hairstyles. They help you to retain length. That's why when you take your braids down, your hair appears longer. Actually, it is longer, and you are like, oh, braids grow my hair. No, your hair is always growing. You were just able to retain the length more because your hair was protected. So you were not detangling every day, you were not styling your hair every day, your hair was not breaking or shedding every day. That's why you are able to see that length. So do those protective hairstyles because they help you to retain length. So this tip has pros and cons. I'm just going to tell you, keep your hair in shrinkage, leave in shrinkage. Not only does it show that your hair is healthy because that's the natural state of your hair, but it allows you to retain length because you're leaving your hair alone. Hi, my name is Heather. I'm obsessed with shrinkage. I live in it every day. I could live forever with shrinkage. I love it. I look absolutely gorgeous when I have shrinkage. However, if you don't know how to maintain shrinkage, if you don't know how to detangle your hair when it was in shrinkage for a week or two, you are going to lose a lot of hair. So you will not be retaining anything. Actually, all the hair that you had retained, you are going to lose it. So if you have not watched the video that I have in terms of maintaining shrinkage, please do watch it. Genetics play such a big part in the growth of our hair. How my hair grows, how my hair looks like is definitely not the same as yours. Maybe it is, but I'm just saying it could not be. So we may apply the same steps and techniques, but the growth rate of our hair can still be different because of genetics. Sometimes you may find out that genetically your hair is supposed to grow up to shoulder length, nothing lower than that. And now you're thinking, no, but Heather said it's genetics. I've come to understand the same thing as well. The type of, I have tight curls, kinky coily hair, springy vibes. I don't have loose curls, genetics. Okay, so do understand that that plays a role as well. I hope you guys love this video. Please incorporate these tips in your hair care routines and see how well, beautiful, long, strong your hair grows by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, to like it, to share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.